One of the types of gadgets that you can add is a list gadget, where you can provide out lists. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the layout section right here from my dashboard, and I'm going to go around and add in a gadget right here, just like this. So over here, if I were to go around and scroll down, you can see that list is an option over here. Once you do that, you can see that you can go around and add in a list right here. So you can see that you can go around and add in, let's say, for example, title of the list right here. So this is a text list, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and say list of things I like right here. And you can go around and choose the number of items that you want to show and sort it out alphabetically as well. And you can add in a text list over here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and say something like computer, and I'm going to hit save. Add in another list right here, and I'm going to say editing, add in save. Add in a new item right here, and let's say this is going to be computer editing website right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say graphics design right here, graphics design. So as I already selected out as sort out alphabetically, sorting this out will set it to don't sort, as you can see right here. But click on this and it sorts it out everything alphabetically, as you can see right here. Hit the save button, and this text list right here. There's another list over here as well, as you can see, but this list is for the blog list right here, the URL list. But this one right here is pure text list only, which shows up the things that you add in right there. So let me just go around and refresh it out right here, and once I do that, you can see the regular plain text list right here, just like this. And that is how you can add in the list gadget and utilize it for your blog using Blogger. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.